Hello everyone, hope all are okay. Staff Selection Commission Stenographer Examination 2025, which was held today. First shift was Hindi Stenographer Grade C. Now I am narrating overall review of the examination of first shift Grade C Hindi Stenographer Examination. Number 1. Matter was on the topic on education policy. Number 2. Matter was easy to moderate. There is no problem to take down the dictation at the time of examination. Number 3. Fluctuation. Yes, I already narrated regarding fluctuation, and also I uploaded more video regarding fluctuation. Last video uploaded on 26 January 2026 regarding fluctuation. Fluctuation was there within the dictation. This is normal. I already narrated my video regarding fluctuation, though fluctuation was normal within the grip. Though followed sincerely my video, hope succeeded to note down the dictation. Every time I am telling you regarding fluctuation because I am an ex-stenographer of central government. I know where the dictation will be problem. Number 4. Keyboard was normal. Number 5. Speaker. There is no problem regarding speaker. So, those who are interested to learn the stenography, please follow my video and subscribe so that you can learn easily within the short time. Wait for second shift. After examination over, I will review and communicate all of you. Thank you. Best of luck.